Hello folks, this is YouTube user Mr. Video Dude Snowstorm here, back to you with another video. So as you can see, I got my hood on because without heavily it's a snowstorm. So as you can see, the storm is starting now. Yep. It blows snow and everything. Yep. So guys, I was going to do a video of storm here. And now I'm doing it. So it's now precisely 3. It's just about a minute. I should get it out of my pocket. That's the only cover I have is now. Now 09 p.m. Yep. So as you can see, we have a very light snow now. It's very cold out. Probably -6 or so. Yep. So like I said earlier, don't say that, but the snow will be all the way down to Hollywood. Yep. You experience snow while we are up on the road. And look at the road snow now. Yep. Yep. You're not going to say this to him in the share now, but I'll probably just have to wait till Leon this evening. Yep. Yep. So from earlier today to now, we had a delayed opening for 2 hours, power outages, and now a school course for the we made all today, and now a snowstorm. Yep. 3 days one day, everything is about, guys. Yep. So yeah. So, as you can see, I got a gloves on, which means I'm making my hands very cold now. Yep. So which one I have a lot of slow by the shooting and by next Monday. Yep. So yeah. Let's take one view it before we end the video. Upload to him, huh? Oh, go to tweet face. Yep. Hey, so I just hope you guys like this video, and I'll look at please like and subscribe to Mr. Video 79, and please follow my profile on Instagram at Mr. Video Dude 79. And Instagram.com/ Mr. Video Dude 79. And please check out my Facebook page at facebook.com/ Mr. Video Dude 79. And like I said earlier, please like and subscribe to Mr. Video Dude 79 up on YouTube. I hope you guys like this quick video, and yep. Once we just want to hear me one more time from over here. So I just hope you guys like this quick review. And the guys, stop you off now. Peace, bye, see you later.